Crypt it, crypt it, crypt it. If you don't like about it, you crypt it. So what actually is CRISPR? CRISPR is a meme that's been going around recently since first discovery. So CRISPR is a genome editing tool and technology that allows scientists to precisely change the genetic code of an organism. It has the potential to eradicate virtually all genetic diseases on this planet. It could also be used to alter the genetic makeup of an organism to make it, say, more resistant to diseases or to enhance its assisting properties. So being a superhuman is not so far-fetched, isn't it? As interesting as it may seem, this technology could potentially be a massive destructive weapon that might change our species entirely if it falls into the wrong hand or being used irresponsibly. So as a scientist, we have a role to play here, which is to communicate this piece of information and to call for global dialogue. CRISPR was first discovered by Doudna and Charpentier back in 2014. It was originally found to be the immune system of the bacteria to fight against viral infection. It recognizes invading viral DNA, cut them into pieces, and stored them into the bacteria's hard drive, the genomes. So basically, there is this protein called the Cas9, which acts like a scissors guided by its best friend, the RNA, a twin sister of DNA, who cut at any point in the genome as you like. Pretty much like fixing a typo in a word processor. You cut a gene out, you put it in, you edit the code, essentially you are the programmer. This tool is so powerful and elegant, it could edit genomes of nearly all species on this planet. But so far the good news. Now the bad news. The bad news is the technology is so efficient, it can be used and it's so efficient and simple that any labs in the world can use it. Any undergraduates can do it, or even high school students with sufficient knowledge can replicate it. What happens if it falls into the hand of someone with ill intentions? Doesn't this sound terrifying to you? But as any other powerful technology in this world, finding a balance in between is always important. There's no clear answer to this, but all we can do is going forward and take full responsibility for our decision by weighing both the risks and benefits. Very often we have the tendency to preserve the status quo, but not doing anything is bad either. Could you imagine diseases are killing thousands of people each day, much worse, more than all the world wars combined together? So as part of the society, we have this role to take, which is to take part in the discussion and together we define the best solution today. After all, if things turn out not as expected, we can always crypt it again.